Hello everyone, Nargis here, your favorite Bangladeshi Boropo, and in this part, I will show you all the Anna Huang books I got. First up is Twisted Love. So she has this whole series called Twisted. So it's a chatta part আছে যেটা কিনা চারটা ফ্রেন্ডের স্টোরি নিয়ে. So there is love, and then this one is called Twisted Hate. Then there is another one which is called Twisted Games. You can see the beautiful embossing on the cover of these books. Last one is called Twisted Lies. I love reading a book. I also enjoy a really nice book cover. And see, this is why Kindle can never replace the appeal of books in general, like hard copy books. So yeah, this is the Twister series of Anna Huang. I am late to the party, but I'm starting, okay? And then we have another series. It starts with If the Sun Never Sets. এই সিরিজের আরেকটা বইয়ের নাম হচ্ছে If Love Had a Price. এই সিরিজের পরের বইটার নাম হচ্ছে If We Were Perfect. I think আমি সিরিয়ালটা একটু উল্টাপাল্টা করে ফেলেছি, বাট লাস্ট বইটা হচ্ছে If We Ever Meet Again. So these are the 4 books of this series. এটার উপরে 1 2 3 4 নাম্বার দেওয়া আছে. So I will not mess it up when I'm reading it. That's it. These are all the books that I got by the writer Anna Huang. I am very excited to read the books. She is very famous. So we will see যে আসলে বইগুলি কিরকম. It's mostly young adult romance. খুবই low brain activity kind of বই. So বলতে পারো যে অনেক বেশি attention দেয়া লাগবে না, অনেক বেশি সময় দেয়া লাগবে না. Chill একটা read. Then these are your picks. I don't know কতগুলো বই পড়ে শেষ করতে পারবো, but we'll try.